Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a head-to-head comparison of the Apple iPhone 16 and the Apple iPhone 15. Are the new features on the iPhone 16 worth the upgrade? Let's break down everything from design, display, and performance to cameras and pricing. Stick around for the full breakdown. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the video description, and you can buy these phones at a discounted price. First, let's talk display. Both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 15 feature a 6.1-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2556 by 1179 pixels and a pixel density of 460 ppi. So, in terms of sharpness and clarity, they're identical. But here's where the iPhone 16 takes a leap. It has a max brightness of 2000 nits, compared to the iPhone 15's 1000 nits. This makes the iPhone 16 far better for outdoor use, especially in bright sunlight. Both displays refresh at 60 Hz, so no major changes there. In terms of dimensions, both phones are almost identical. They measure 5.81 by 2.82 by 0.31 inches or 147.6 by 71.6 by 7.8 millimeters. The weight is slightly different. The iPhone 16 is 170 grams while the iPhone 15 is 171 grams, so no major differences in handling or portability. Moving on to software and performance, the iPhone 16 comes with iOS 18 right out of the box, while the iPhone 15 runs on iOS 17. This means that the iPhone 16 will have access to the latest features and optimizations. But the big performance boost comes from the new A18 Bionic chip in the iPhone 16. A18's 3nm architecture promises faster processing, better AI, and improved efficiency. Now let's talk cameras. Both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 15 come with a 48-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, so in terms of megapixels, there's no difference. The real change in the iPhone 16 is its enhanced software. Features like Apple Intelligence and new camera control options, like the Action button, make it easier to customize your shots and access camera modes quickly. For video, both phones can shoot in 4K, so no major differences in video quality. When it comes to battery life, the iPhone 16 takes the lead with up to 22 hours of video playback, compared to the iPhone 15's 20 hours. The iPhone 16 also supports faster wired charging with up to 30W when using a 30W adapter or higher, while the iPhone 15 supports up to 27W. Both phones still offer MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging up to 15W. Now onto special features. Both phones support Dynamic Island, MagSafe, and have an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. But the iPhone 16 introduces some new features like Apple Intelligence, which enhances how the phone adapts to your usage patterns. It also has a new camera control button for quicker camera access. Let's wrap up with pricing. In the US, both phones start at $799 for the 128GB model, with higher prices for the 256GB and 512GB versions. The same goes for the UK and Australia, although the iPhone 16 is priced slightly higher in Australia, starting at 1,399 Australian dollars compared to the iPhone 15's 1,499 Australian dollars. So, is the iPhone 16 worth the upgrade? If you're looking for a faster chip, brighter display, and longer battery life, then yes, it's a solid upgrade. But if you already have the iPhone 15 and you're happy with its performance, the differences might not be significant enough to justify the jump. Alright, that's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade to the iPhone 16? Or will you stick with the iPhone 15? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech comparisons.